Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Monday 1st of October with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at euro dollar, which has been on the slide in the last couple of sessions. The concerns over Italian debt have been the driver of that move. It's a little bit of a settling down this morning though. We'd seen the euro weaker in the early moves back to 15.70, didn't quite break Friday's low, interesting, and we've just had a bit of a bounce now, so we're about 50 pips up from that low there now, which is encouraging. And we've seen this this recovery, which is sort of holding on to this support at 15 big figure. That is the key test of the euro now. We've sort of lost the momentum in this recovery. You'd say that this is, I suppose, playing out as a range play really, but 15.05 needs to hold to continue that relatively neutral outlook you got on euro dollar, because if it loses that 15 big figure support, then you're looking at a retreat back towards 13 big figure, and it would be under pressure again. But for now, you're still sort of trading around these flat moving averages, the 21, 55 and 89 day moving averages, all basically dead flat on euro dollar. You've got the momentum indicators, which are pretty much relatively neutral. You've got the MACD lines, which, yes, they're tracking a touch lower, but not decisively yet, in the RSI 45. And there's a bearish bias, that is undoubted, but having had the market has bounced off that support at 1650, 1660 area, sorry, 1560 area, then I think you're still maintaining a degree of sort of ranging element to this chart. Now, if we can see the market back above 1650, which is, as you can see on the hourly chart, this pivot over the last few weeks, 1650 has been a strong pivot. If you can get the market back above that, then it improves the outlook once again. So it's it really is an interesting reaction to see what happens with the market on this rebound. Initially 1630 comes in as a base of resistance, but as I said, that RSI around 50 on the hourly, if the market starts to roll over again, that puts the pressure back onto the downside. But for now, it's holding on to this low of 1565 from Friday, and while that continues, then you're not overly negative, I don't think, on euro dollar. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. I'll speak to you later.